This is TV5 DWET-TV, owned and operated by TV5 Network Inc. TV5 is a commercial TV broadcast station authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with license number BSD 03112023 REN MOD 4042 to expire on November 21, 2026. TV5 transmitter is located at 762 Quirino Highway, San Bartolome, Novaliches, Quezon City. TV5 Studio Complex is located along Reliance Street, corner Sheridan Street, Barangay Highway Hills, Mandaluyong City. TV5 operates with a transmitter power of 60 kilowatts. TV5 transmitter is operated and maintained by the following transmission engineering personnel, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Professional Electronics Engineer Hernando C. Manogid, PECE number 0000423. Electronics Engineer Romulo C. Tataro Jr., ECE number 0033398. First Class Radio Telephone Operators Romeo D. Dayon 941 PNCR 11441. Robert A. Españo 2K 1 PHN 24096. Charlie O. Obenita 141 PNCR 26666. TV5 programs are seen nationwide via TV5 and affiliate stations. TV5 stations: Channel 5 Metro Manila, Channel 2 Lawag, Channel 28 Baguio, Channel 32 Bacolod, Channel 21 Cebu, Channel 21 Cagayan de Oro, Channel 2 Davao, Channel 12 General Santos. Affiliate stations: Channel 28 Olongapo, Channel 39 Tuguegarao, Channel 24 Tarlac, Channel 30 Mount Banoy, Batangas, Channel 34 San Jose Occidental, Mindoro, Channel 22 Naga, Channel 29 Puerto Princesa, Channel 36 Iloilo, Channel 41 Calibo, Channel 40 Tacloban, Channel 40 Zamboanga. TV5 DWET-TV is now signing on.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, hanap ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay.
Pang-ibigang duyan ka ng magiting,
Sa manlulupi, di ka masisingil.
Sa dagat at tulong, sa simoy at sa langit mong lugaw, may dilag ang tula at awit sa pagdayang minamahal.
Ang iskap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning.
Ang bituin at araw na kailan pa may di magdidilim.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
This program is brought to you by Super Sticks.
But
every day.